Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change AI difficulty in UFC 6. So if you want to adjust the CPU difficulty, then changing that is really easy. First, from the main screen we need to go to the settings tab. After that, go to gameplay settings. Under it we need to switch over to the gameplay tab, and from here we can adjust the difficulty between normal, hard, pro, legendary or easy. So just set the difficulty from here and the CPU difficulty will be changed as well. But if you want to adjust the AI behavior in advance, then just press R1 or RB to go to the AI behavior tab. From here you can set the AI style to any of the fighter if you want, or you can just set it to default. Then we have frequency settings. So let's say you want to increase the stand-up strike frequency of AI, then you can just increase the slider to plus 30 or plus 40 depending on your choice, and then the frequency of this move will be changed. Similarly, you can go to grapple strike frequency, takedown, clinch and submission, so that AI will react according to the frequencies you have selected. So this is the way to adjust AI behaviors and gameplay settings for AI in UFC 6. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.